Hello, this is a platform which is blockchain based payroll system, Blockroll. This is a platform which is deployed onto Matic testnet. As you can see on the wallet, it is deployed on the Matic testnet. The features of this platform are rupee based tokens, payments tracking, easy money for freelancers, decentralized. So basically, the use of this platform is we are creating a peer to peer network decentralized between employers and freelancers so that they can trade with the cryptocurrency, that is the ERC20 token, which we have deployed onto Matic test network. And as you can see, the current account is this, and the balance of the is 114 rupee token. So these are all four features of our platform. Next is about us. Our why choose us? Payments tracking is done, decentralized, secure transactions, easy to use, easy to track payments, and even the freelancers can get easy money. So this is the landing page of our platform. Now we move on to login part. Currently, we have logged in with employer account, and he can just buy the tokens, which is the ERC20 tokens, which are rupee tokens whose value is equivalent to 1 rupee. So equivalent ether will get deducted from his account, and he will get some tokens whose value is equivalent to 1 rupee. And these are all the previous transactions. When he makes buy token, he can enter the amount of token, place order. A MetaMask pop-up will come up and will confirm the transaction, and we will get an acknowledgement whether the transaction is done or not here on the test network, on the Matic test network. Yeah, as we can see, transaction is successful. 10 tokens have been added to this address. Now when we again see the dashboard, the balance is updated. It's right now 124, and we can now even calculate the payroll from the account of employer who is current active account employer. He can just calculate the payroll. He can just add the username of freelancer, that is an address will come here. He can just add the payment rate, duration, number of leaves the freelancer has taken, number of leave cost, delay days, and delay cost. This is the payment summary we will get after deducting the amount and the final calculating the total amount, and we will add place order, and again we can transact it onto the Matic blockchain. As you can see, payment is successful. 2 rupee tokens have been added to Pasho. So right now the balance of this token will be 122, which is right rupee tokens. And we can also see the previous transaction here. The current transaction is 2 amount of 2, and address is this, and final time is this. So yeah, now this is the part of employer side. Now we'll move on to freelancer side. Freelancer, yeah, this is the account of freelancer whose the amount got credited is 16, and he can also get the list of transactions of this freelancer. As you can see, credited by just right now 720 cent from the employer. He can send tokens to his friends and family while just adding their username, for example, amount and number of tokens he will enter. Let's say 2 tokens. Next, place order, and he will confirm the transaction. Again, it will take time to load as transaction is on the public blockchain on the Matic test network. The contract is deployed onto Matic test network. As you can see, 2 tokens have been sent. Now we again move to Blockroll and see the amount has been debited, and we can see the transactions right now. Now just let us see the things on the chain. We can just copy the address of contract and just add it here. Okay, here enter the contract address of the contract, and we can see the transactions right now here onto the Matic blockchain. Right now it's 30, it was just made 47 seconds ago. So yeah, we can see the contract calls. You can also see token transactions. Right now the 2 rupee token transaction was done, token transfer, the ERC20 token which is deployed onto Matic network, and this transaction successful from this uh, freelancer 2 is one of the family members of that freelancer. Token transfer is completely successful. Now we can also see complete list of all the transactions. Here back and add the contract address, and these are all the transactions done. And this is the Matic Mumbai Testnet Explorer, where we can check all the transactions up till now. So yeah, this is the core of the application, like following the current trends and making the cryptocurrency thrive. So even, yeah, send tokens is done, and yeah, this sums up our application.